kirongoreria riboti ngena ni ati riri wandikithia wa maabitha mbirarũ ukiambikitwo muthenya wa umuthi magana ma mbeu njithi nimeyumiritie kiharoini gia kapenguria guku ni kauntiini ya pokot ya muhuro niguo makiandikithio ruhonge-ini ruru rwa mbirarũ. Murugamiriri wa mihang'o iyo kana iyo oigite marakorwo makiheana mieke iyo thutha wa korwo magithurima ugima wa mwiri wa mbeu njithi aya na kuria riu agikitie ritana kuri ogukorwo magithemana na turia nime na aria maragithie na kana maragithie magitegia muingi mbeca makimahenagia ati ni makorwo makimateithiriria mbeu njithi ao gukorwo makiandikithio ruhonge-ini ruru rwa mbirarũ.
Woi wa Makurutu a jeshini wambĩrĩrĩtie kauntiini ya pokot ya muhuro kũringana na mũrũgamĩrĩri wa mihang'o ĩyo namba nene nimeyumiritie niguo kuoyuo.
In charge of the exercise here in Kapenguria at West Pokot sub-county. We started the exercise early in the morning today at 8, exactly 8 in the morning, and we had a very good turnout of potential candidates whom we have been able to take through the process since morning. The turnout was in excess of 550 candidates, and since morning we have been taking them through the process. So far we've been able to identify some potential candidates.
Oigite maraheana kanya ga cadets kuri aria moimite form 4 na grade ya B kwambata. Afitha a muingi kuri aria mena degree oro hamwe na constables.
For general duty recruits and for constabulary. We are recruiting in 4 categories today here. We have slots for general service officer cadets, those who have just finished high school and who are willing to join the Kenya Defence Forces and having a minimum grade of B plane and above. We also had slots for general service officer who are graduates, those who have gone to the university and have degrees. We also had slots for general duty recruits, and we also had slots for constabulary, Defence Forces constabulary. So far, we've been able to identify some potential candidates for cadets and for general duty recruits.
Oniongereire na kuga aria moetwo handu-ini ha cadets ni meguthie na mbere guthurimo ugima wao wa mwiri niguo kuona kana ni megukorwo makiheo kanya jeshini ya bururi.
We have identified the potential cadet candidates who we are taking through the medical process, and after that we'll take them through an aptitude test just to gauge their aptitude and their suitability. Currently also we are taking the general duty recruits through a physical exercise just to see if they are physically fit and ready, and then after that we'll identify a few whom we'll take through a medical process. At the end of it, we hope to get the best candidate from this region who will be able to join the Kenya Defence Forces.
Ini ha Muthigi TV yakwa ni Wambui wa Wanjiko.
Ngatho cia mwanya muno Wambui wa Wanjiko ni tondu wa riboti tugitigane na icio na ni ati ma MCA bunge-ini ya kaunti ya Kirinyaga umuthi nimeyumiritie na gukumithia giko ya gutharikirwo kwa mutumia mubunge wa kaunti